What I love most about this program is all the hands-on classes and the opportunity to learn beyond the lecture hall and the textbook.
One-on-one and hands-on with the animals, learning about them in class, but also getting to apply it in person.
Hi, I'm Professor Drew Conroy. I'm a professor of animal science, and I'm here to talk about the Applied Animal Science program, which is an associate degree program at UNH. In Applied Animal Science, students will have hands-on experiences right from the beginning. Your first semester, your first week or two, you will be working with animals. They may be horses, cows, goats, sheep. Things that students learn are how to vaccinate animals, like cattle and horses, how to restrain animals, for example, cattle if you needed to trim a foot, how to handle swine. Understanding animal behavior is also an important part of this program. We work with a lot of large animals. We want students to be safe, and there are ways to be safe if you understand the animals. UNH also has lots of job possibilities on our farms. UNH maintains 2 dairy farms, and we also maintain an equine farm on campus, and we bring in visiting animals like goat and swine. In the spring semester, UNH maintains a flock of sheep, and we also have a flock of poultry in the fall semester. In courses such as UNH Cream, students will manage a herd of dairy cows for the entire school year if that's a course that you choose. Students in the associate degree program can take our livestock management course, where you will take care of a flock of ewes through the lambing season and for the entire semester. You have opportunities to work with poultry in the PEEP program. We have labs and classes at all of these farms. The Applied Animal Science program is nicely integrated with the 4-year program. They share many courses. In fact, all of the courses at UNH in animal science will be fully integrated. You'll have students from animal science, you may have students from the sustainable agriculture and food systems major. So you are a full-fledged UNH student taking courses with others of similar interest. In terms of transferring, if you finish the 2-year program, or you've been very successful your first year and you decide that you want to continue for a 4-year program, being part of the Agriculture, Nutrition, and Food Systems Department and being integrated with the Animal Science program makes that very, very easy. I've seen students in the associate degree, the Applied Animal Science program, go on to do great things. Manage farms, to be herdsmen or herd managers on farms. We've had students work in equine operations. We've had students that have traveled all over the United States. Other things Applied Animal Science students have done is take their hands-on skills with cows or horses and work with exotic animals. There are lots of zoos and animal facilities all across the United States and even the world that want students who know how to handle and work with animals safely. As a UNH alum myself, with 2 children who are graduates of UNH, I really do appreciate this place. We have lots to offer at the University of New Hampshire. We have a beautiful campus. We have numerous farm facilities within walking distance of your dormitory. And I just can't say enough about the experience that I've seen students have at UNH. I hope we can get you to visit our campus, and I would hope to see you join us at UNH in the Applied Animal Science program.